Hello students, Ncert solutions, class 12 physics, chapter number 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance, question number 27. A 4 microfarad capacitor is charged by a 200 volt supply. It is then disconnected from the supply and is connected to another uncharged 2 microfarad capacitor. How much electrostatic energy of the first capacitor is dissipated in the form of heat and the electromagnetic radiation? In this question, given that a 4 microfarad capacitor, that is C1 is equal to 4 microfarad, this is 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad, and this is charged by a 200 volt supply, that is V1 is equal to 200 volt. Here this capacitor C1 is equal to 4 microfarad and this charged with a battery of 200 volt. This is potential V1. Now it is then disconnected from the supply and connected to another uncharged 2 microfarad capacitor. Another capacitor, this C2 suppose, and this C2 is equal to, this is 2 microfarad and this is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad, and this is uncharged capacitor, therefore V2 is equal to 0, right? Now both capacitors join with each other, दोनों को हमने एक साथ ज्वाइन किया. This here C1 जो कि हमारा positively charged, this plate and this negative, and this C2, and after some time potential becomes same V, and when both capacitors connected together, then on sharing charges, दोनों को एक साथ ज्वाइन करने पर चार्ज शेयर होते हैं, and after some time potential becomes same. Then on sharing of charges, loss of energy takes place, loss of electrostatic energy and this loss is equal to delta U is equal to this is C1 C2 into V1 minus V2, this whole square upon 2 into C1 plus C2. ये फॉर्मूला हमने थ्योरी पार्ट में ड्राइव किया था, तो यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट यूज करेंगे. लॉस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक एनर्जी इज डेल्टा U is equal to C1 C2 into V1 minus V2 whole square upon this twice of C1 plus C2. Now on putting the values, delta U is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 6 C1, and C2 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 6. V1 is 200 minus V2 is 0, and this 2 into C1 is 4 plus 2, C2 is 2, or this is 10 to the power minus 6 is common. Now this is 4 into this 2 to the 4, and here this 4, this cancel by this, and this is 4 into 10 to the power, this minus 6 here, and here this plus 4, and divided by only 6, and this 10 to the power minus 6 is cancelled by this 10 to the power minus 6, right? And this is equal to 16 upon 6 into 10 to the power minus 2, and hence this is delta U is equal to 2.67 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. So this is the loss of electrostatic energy, and this loss of energy is in the form of heat and electromagnetic radiation. When two capacitors are joined with the help of this connecting wires, then charge will flow, and due to which some energy get lost due to in the form of electromagnetic radiation and heat, तो हमें यहाँ पर दो कैपेसिटर, एक तो इनिशियली हमारा चार्ज था 200 वोल्ट और उसको हमने बैटरी से डिस्कनेक्ट किया और एक अनचार्ज कैपेसिटर के साथ ज्वाइन किया। देयरफॉर दिस V2 इज इक्वल टू 0। अब दोनों को ज्वाइन करने के बाद एनर्जी लॉस जानते हैं हम, डेल्टा U इज इक्वल टू C1 C2 इंटू V1 माइनस V2 होल स्क्वायर अपॉन दिस 2 इंटू C1 प्लस C2 वैल्यूज रखते हैं। सॉल्व करने पर दिस लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी इज डेल्टा U इज इक्वल टू 2.67 into 10 to the power minus 2 joule. Now, this is the answer of this problem. आशा करता हूँ कि आपको समझ में आए। थैंक यू।